So today we are going to do a volcanic experiment. The standard is the middle school ESS 2-2, and it's construct an explanation based on evidence for how geoscience processes have changed Earth's surfaces at varying times and spatial scales. So basically, we're discussing how the Earth's surface changes from time to time, and it's based off of plate tectonics, where the plates shift one way or another, and it creates either volcanoes or earthquakes or hurricanes such as that. Today, like I said, we're going to do a volcano experiment, and we're going to learn how a volcano is formed and how quickly lava flows. So guys, today, like I said, volcano. And so first off, you're going to find your baking soda, which was already pre-measured. So they need 3 tablespoons of baking soda and pour it into the mason jar or the jar that's already there. Okay, so then now we're going to need a couple of drops of the dishwashing detergent. So just 2 to 3 drops, I believe.
Does it matter the type of dishwashing detergent they use?
No, it does not. You can use any kind of dishwashing detergent.
Yeah, that looks good. I think you did one or two. Yeah.
That's good, guys. Awesome. Okay, as you guys can see, there's nothing really going on at the moment. So now you get to add the water. Do you guys think that anything's going to happen when you add the water?
I think it'll start to fizz a little.
Maybe.
Yeah.
So it's already pre-measured half a cup of water. You,
You
it's
say
gonna
bubble?
All right. Go ahead. You can dump in the half cup of water.
Yeah. It kind of like dissolved, but it made it cloudy.
Yeah, but you can still see the stuff on the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of all just pooling at the bottom. Cadence, what do you see?
Bubbling.
Bubbly?
What do you see?
How about you, Bailey?
Bubbling.
Bubbling. Yeah, absolutely. So now you guys get to do the fun part of adding the food coloring. What color did you guys pick?
Green.
And
Blue.
blue.
Remember, don't touch it. It stains your hands.
No, there you go. 2 to 3 drops, however you can do
Like
that.
that?
Yeah,
Yep,
that's
that'll-
good.
Yep. You can add a little bit more to that as well. You can make it as green as you want.
You want it greener? Yeah, that's a pretty green. You want it more green or?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Actually, I want like that.
You don't
You want to leave it like that?
And I can take the supplies. Oh, that is a pretty green. Here, I got the can.
Pretty blue.
That's very
That's
good.
pretty.
Mhm. So now we're going to be adding the vinegar, but before we do that, what do you guys think is going to happen once we add the vinegar?
It's gonna become like a volcano and explode.
Yeah? Do you think it's going to be messy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Probably. So as soon as you pour it in the vinegar, make sure you're paying attention because that's exactly when the reaction is going to start the minute that the vinegar hits the solution that's already in the jars. So for the vinegar, you guys need a half a cup of vinegar. You guys have your measuring cup, so go ahead and do that.
She might need help opening that.
Yeah.
Get that open.
Probably should open it before the students get to it.
That's
Maybe.
all right. Practice, fine motor skills.
Right?
Uh,
Just a half a cup. That looks good, mix.
awesome.
Wait, you want to put it in there? You gotta watch it.
Sure, I'll take that so she can. Somebody else can pour it.
Do you want to pour it? You want to help
Or you
me?
gotta watch.
Okay, make
Okay.
sure you're watching as you pour it
As
in.
you pour it in, we gotta watch.
Whoa!
That was cool.
That was pretty fast.
So as you can see, the minute, oh, that's a lot. Hope it doesn't overflow. As you can see how fast it occurred, that's exactly how fast a volcano occurs. As soon as the plate tectonics move, then the lava starts to flow through. And there is slow lava, but there's fast lava, but usually it shoots right through the volcano. And that's basically how fast it goes.
Ours is like belly.
Yeah, look at the difference.
Yeah.
Why do you think it's different? Why do you think theirs is foamy and yours is bubbly?
Different food colorings.
Do you think it has to do with the different colors?
Yeah, maybe.
Because
or
we did
maybe
food
different
coloring.
types of vinegar.
Do you think it could have
Food
something to
coloring.
do with how much soap you put in?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maggie, how many drops of soap did you put in?
I put 3. We did 2.
So do you think maybe one more drop of soap made it a little more foamy?
Yeah.
I just sit on it.
Yeah, it's still settling.
Also could have been the difference of the baking soda, yes, it was measured out, but maybe one had a little bit less or a little bit more.
Yep,
Also the vinegar, any kind of measurement would be different.
different cups.
Different cups.
Maybe the glass cup versus the plastic.
Oh, maybe, really?
That could be, they use different measuring cups.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Well, this concludes our experiment.